Do you want to spend more and more money during your bedtime rest? I mean to say, in the hospital. Yes, a lot of people lose their pocket just because of so much expenses occurred in the hospital during your bedtime, bed rest, or the bed treatment. I mean to say, not that bed treatment, but where you lie down, that is called the bed treatment. Okay, so health insurance play a very important role to actually give you the maximum amount what you actually deserve from the at the time when you need the most. So here is the answer for every one of you. If you are not going to take the risk of your health, if you are not going to take the risk of expenses occurred during the hospitalization, pre-cost, post-cost, during the cost, so here is the answer of health insurance. So let's begin. Let's discuss now in a very simple language what is a health insurance tells. Actually, health insurance is a type of insurance, and you can say a investment for your health, okay, that helps cover the cost of medical care. When you have health insurance, you pay a certain amount of money which is called a premium each month or each year to the insurance company. In exchange, the insurance company helps pay for the cost of your medical care, including the doctor visits, consultation fees, hospital stays, pre and post hospitalization coverage. Having health insurance can help you get the medical care you need without having to worry about paying it all out of your own pocket, as I've already told previous slide. So how life insurance works, I gave you the idea, but now it's time to understand how health insurance works. Health insurance works by spreading the risk of medical expenses among a large group of people. When you have a health insurance, you pay a monthly premium, yearly premium to a insurance company. In exchange, the insurance company agrees to help the cover of cost of your medical care up to a certain amount. And the second one, when you need medical care, you typically pay a portion of the cost which is called a copay or deductible, okay. And your health insurance, I mean to say your insurance company pays the rest, okay. The amount you pay out of pocket for medical care depends on the type of health insurance plan what you have. And the third one is, different health insurance plans have different rules about which doctors and hospitals you can visit and how much you have to pay for the medical care. Some plans require you to choose a primary care doctor who coordinates your medical care and refers you to specialist as needed. So what I should carefully look before buying health insurance? When buying health insurance, it's important to carefully watch for the following whatever I am giving for you. First of all, coverage. Make sure the health insurance plan cover the medical services that you need the most, such as doctor visits, consultation, hospitalization, prescription drugs, and the preventive care. The second one, consider the monthly premium, copay, deductibles, and out of pocket maximums for the plans. Make sure you can afford the cost associated with the plan, okay. And the third one, network. It's important. Check to see if you prefer doctors and hospitals are in the plan's network. If not, you may have to pay more for medical care or switch to a different provider, okay. And the fourth one is exclusions. Read the policy carefully to understand what medical services and terms are excluded from the coverage. Some plans may have restrictions on the coverage for pre-existing conditions, mental health services, or the alternative therapies. Renewal policy. Check if the health insurance plan is renewable and if there are any restrictions on the renewability. Okay, and the sixth one, subsidies. If you are eligible for subsidies to help pay for health insurance premium and out of pocket cost, make sure you understand how much assistance you will receive and how it will affect your cost. And the seventh one, last but not the least, okay, customer services. Look for a health insurance provider with a good reputations of a company as well as a customers for a customer services and claims processing. Yeah, 96 to 99% claim ratio will have to be, okay, in any kind of insurance company. So you will want a provider that is easy to work with, are responsive and to your needs. So it will be a very good thing if it happens. So overall, it's important to carefully review the details of any health insurance plan before purchasing it. This will help you choose a plan that meets your medical needs and fits within your budgets while avoiding any surprise or gaps in the coverage. So I'm giving you the most important tips before buying any kind of health insurance. So first of all, you should look the room rent limit. There should not be any kind of room limit, okay? And the cashless hospital. Of course, the upcoming period of the world would be a cashless. So you need to focus on the cashless hospital. Waiting period of the existing illness. If you have already any kind of illness, so you need to wait around 3 to 5 years. Okay. So ambulance charges also should be included in that policy. Okay. Up to actual expenses. And the post-hospitalization coverage and the pre-hospitalization coverage should be included. And the value-added services, of course, free health checkup every year or every month. It can be happen, but it depends on the policy. Okay, it depends on the company. तो मैं आप लोगों को यहाँ बता दूं कि पोस्ट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन और प्री हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन का मतलब क्या हुआ कि अगर आपको कोई बीमारी है तो आपको डॉक्टर पहले से कहता है कि भाई ऐसा है कि आप पहले हॉस्पिटल आओ, वहाँ पर हम आपके चेकअप वगैरह करवाएंगे, उसके बाद में आपका कोई ऑपरेशन हो पाएगा. तो वो क्या है, वो प्री चल रहा है, मतलब आपका अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं है, मतलब आपके साथ बस आपको केयर दी जा रही है कि ताकि आपका इस तारीख में आपका जो भी है किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट, जो भी XYZ वो होने जा रहा है. अब जब हो गया वो काम, यानी कि फॉर एग्जांपल ऑपरेशन हो गया, अब ऑपरेशन तो हो गया, ऑपरेशन के बाद का जो पीरियड होता है जब आपकी केयर करी जाती है तो उसको पोस्ट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन कवरेज कहते हैं. आई होप यू विल गेट माय पॉजिटिव पॉइंट. सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट इट्स overall it's very important to review the whole details of a health insurance or any kind of plan. So cover for organ donor, up to 5 lakh covers for organ transplant, hence if an individual is looking to avail such a procedure in the near future, or she must take a plan with high cover amount. Okay, hospitalization at home means this feature covers for scenarios where hospital bed is not available and the doctor has recommended treatment at the home. So it is very important features. Okay, these are the features of the best ever policy whatever you are going to take. Domestic evacuation means क्या होता है? Let's look this thing. This feature refers to the process of transferring an individual to his home country for a medical treatment from the location where he or she suffered a medical emergency. A really important part of the health insurance plan for this frequent travelers. ट्रैवलर्स के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है कि भाई डोमेस्टिक इवैक्यूएशन ज़रूर होना चाहिए. याद रखना, अगर आप ट्रैवल करते हो, आप कहीं और बीमार पड़े तो अब डॉक्टर कह रहा है कि भाई अब आप वहाँ चले जाओ जहाँ पर एक्चुअल में आप रहते हो. तो ये होता है डोमेस्टिक इवैक्यूएशन. मैटरनिटी कवर क्या कहता है? कवर फॉर द एक्सपेंस इन अकर्ड ऑन अ चाइल्ड डिलीवरी, प्री एंड पोस्ट नेटल एक्सपेंसेस आर कवर्ड, सुटेबल फॉर द कपल्स planning or expecting a child. Do check the waiting period in your plan. This is also important. Okay, maternity cover. So don't forget this. So all day care treatment, this important features I'm telling you. So all day care treatments that do not require hospitalization, such as कैटरेक्ट, कैमियो मीन्स यार खाना मिल रहा है आपको वहाँ पर फ्री में, या आपको किसी भी प्रकार की केयर मिल रही है, पानी अच्छा मिल रहा है आपको, और कुछ कोल्ड ड्रिंक वगैरह भी देते हैं. मतलब कोल्ड ड्रिंक का मतलब ये नहीं कि कोल्ड ड्रिंक दे रहे हैं थम्स अप वगैरह, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. मतलब कुछ अच्छी कोक आपको प्रोवाइड करवा रहे हैं, या हेल्थ के लिए कुछ अच्छे से आपको जूस दे रहे हैं. तो ये सब आता है ऑल डे केयर ट्रीटमेंट में. अब कोपे की बात करें, कोपे इज द शेयर ऑफ क्लेम टू बी पेड बाय द पॉलिसी होल्डर while the rest is paid out by the insurer. Always look out for plan with 0% copay और मिनिमम को पेमेंट होना चाहिए. ओके. नो क्लेम बोनस, और यार ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. नो क्लेम बोनस का मतलब क्या है? इज द रिवॉर्ड फॉर नॉट मेकिंग एनी क्लेम. अरे यार ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है कि क्लेम आपका जो है अगर आप नहीं देते हो 3-4 साल तक, तो उसके दौरान भी आपको एक रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, जो हो सकता है कि आपकी पॉलिसी में ही ऐड हो जाए, या हो सकता है कि आपको उसका अमाउंट दे दिया जाए पॉलिसी के दौरान ही. डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्लान, इंश्योरर एड्स 5% और 100% बोनस टू द सम एश्योर्ड एट नो एक्स्ट्रा प्रीमियम. आपको कोई भी प्रीमियम पे नहीं करनी है एक्स्ट्रा. अब बात करते हैं रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ कवर, वेरी यूजफुल फीचर इन दिस केस द सम इंश्योर्ड गेट्स एग्जॉस्टेड. अगर तुमने सारा जो है अपना सम इंश्योर्ड एक ही बार में कंपनी द्वारा ले लिया, या पूरा ख़त्म हो गया, ठीक है, या फिर ज़्यादा क्लेम्स दे दिए तुमने, एक ही साल में 2 से 3 क्लेम आ गए, तो इसमें तुम्हारा 5 लाख जो कि तुमने कवर करवाया था वो 5 लाख पूरे ख़त्म हो गए. ठीक है. तो इंश्योरर रीस्टोर्स, इंश्योरर यानी कि कंपनी क्या करती है? रीस्टोर द सम इंश्योर्ड टू प्रोवाइड कंटिन्यूड कवरेज टू द पॉलिसी होल्डर. Now come to the benefits of the health insurance. Actually health insurance provides several benefits including financial protection, access to health care, improved health outcomes, and tax benefits. Let me describe these things. Financial protection means health insurance helps protect you. I'm so sorry for just stretching the word. Okay, protect you from the high cost of the medical care, which can be very expensive without insurance. Okay. The second one, access to health care. With the health insurance, you have access to medical care, including preventive care, routine checkups, and the treatment for illness or injury. The third one is improved health outcomes. People with the health insurance are more likely to receive preventive care and early treatment for health problems, which can lead to a better health outcomes. And the fourth one, but not the least one, tax benefits. Health insurance premiums are often tax deductible, which can help lower your taxable income. So overall, health insurance is an important tool for protecting your health and your finance. I can say the financial things. It provides access to medical care, financial protection from high medical bills, and peace of mind knowing that you have coverage if you become ill or injured. So it's a very simply language I described this thing. So I hope you will get my positive points from all of these chapters of the best ever health insurance. So thank you very much. If you like the video, if you watch the video daily, you can subscribe our channel. You can share the video to the others so that they can be aware of health insurance.